Hello, good evening. I am Nalini Srivastava, a National Award winner teacher, and I am going to start a series of vocabulary episodes. Vocabulary means the word bar. How many new words you know, and not necessarily new, but how many words you know. So, having a good vocabulary is an essential, is compulsory in today's world. So, today we begin with the word. Today we are going to begin with the word revert. Now, you must be wondering what is WOD? WOD means word of the day. So, for today, the word is revert, REVERT, and it means to return back. To return back to a previously existing situation. A common use that you can find is I will revert back after going through the contract. Means I will come back to you with an answer after going through the contract. So try to find at least two synonyms for revert and message me. You can also give me the words that you find difficult and we'll find an easy way to learn it. Bye. Hi, good evening. In the second video of the vocabulary series, I'm going to take up a word which you might be well aware of but do not know the correct usage. The word of the day is impose. 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 The meaning is to place upon. To place upon, that is impose. The use of impose can be learnt from the following sentence. The authorities decided to impose new rules regarding use of mobile in college. I repeat, the authorities decided to impose new rules regarding mobile use in college. Hi, hello. Today is the day 3 of vocabulary enrichment series. I'm going to take a word that you all must have heard, but sometimes you don't know what is exactly the meaning or how to apply it. So today I'm going to give the word enigma, and as I said, it's difficult to understand. That's the meaning. Meaning is difficult to understand. So before we go into the synonyms, meanings and everything, I'm giving you a sentence. The cause of the crash of the airplane is still an enigma. And now you see the word and the meaning, synonyms and use, and you will understand how to use it. So the word of the day is enigma. The meaning is something very mysterious or difficult to understand. Its synonyms can be mystery, puzzle, or hard to understand. Synonyms means similar meaning words, and the use would be she is something of an enigma. Hi, the word of the day, day 4 in the vocabulary enrichment series is meticulous. The word of the day, day 4 of the vocabulary enrichment series is meticulous. Meticulous means someone who plans everything with details. Like if it's a preparation for exam, then of course they'll have a timetable, they will have time planning, keeping time for everything, studies, rest, break, drink interval, food interval, etc. So we would say that that person is very meticulous. Now usage can be that Mr. Pava is a very meticulous person with regards to planning any event. So Mr. Pava definitely pays a lot of attention to finer details while planning anything. So Mr. Pava, of course, pays lot of attention to every detail while planning any event, and definitely that is why the one of the synonym for meticulous is careful and diligent. Diligent means laborious, very hardworking. So anybody who is meticulous definitely is very hardworking, who pays lot of attention to details and is very careful. Thank you. That's all for today. Hi, my dearest language enthusiasts, all those who are working hard for improving their vocabulary. So, welcome to the vocabulary enrichment class number 5. And the word of the day is acrid. The word of the day is acrid, A-C-R-I-D, and the meaning is something with a bitter means karwa, or sharp taste or smell. Something with a bitter or sharp taste or smell, and we can see the usage in the sentence. The acrid fruits from the onion made my eyes sting. So you all will relate to that, the smell that comes out from the onion. How does it make you feel? Makes your eyes water and it stings in the eye. So that is what acrid is, or rather the one example of acrid. See you tomorrow.